In this lesson, we will learn 4 options: styles, font, font size, and undo. Number 1 is styles. You use styles to change the appearance of your text, how your text looks like. For example, you can highlight one part of your text, like your title, and then you select styles up here. And then for this one, you can choose title because this is the main title of your document. You can see how it now looks bigger than the rest. You can do the same with the headings. You can highlight your heading, choose styles over here, and then for this, choose heading 1. You can see now that this heading looks bigger. You can repeat this for the other headings. And for each heading, you choose the same heading, heading number 1. This is one way to do it. Highlight each heading and then choose heading number 1. So in the end, it would look like this, with the title and the headings bigger than the rest. Now option 2. Option 2 is font. Font is the type of letter you are using. You can select a text and change the way it looks by choosing font over here. And here you have the different kinds of letters you can put to your text. So the one you select, you can see that it changes the way your text looks like. You can choose many of them until you find the one you like for your work. If you want to make it bigger, then you can use the number, the font size. This is the third option. You click on the number and then you choose the number. The higher the number, the larger the text it will be. Remember, you have to highlight the text first and then you choose the font and the size. You can do this with only the title, or you can do this with your whole text or more piece of text. So you change the font and you change the size of it. So it can look like this. Last, the fourth option today is the undo button. Undo works like a time machine. It lets you fix a mistake as soon as you make it, or as soon as you make a change that you really didn't want to. So for example, I'm gonna try to change this text to a different kind of letter, but let's say I didn't like it. Before trying to look again for the font that I had before, I just press undo and things will go back the way I had them immediately. So as soon as you make a mistake or make a change that you didn't want to, just press undo and everything will go back the way it used to be. Now, to summarize, this is what we learned today. You can use the option of styles to change the appearance of your text. It is very good with your title and your headings. If you prefer to make individual changes, you can use the font option to change the type of the letter, and you can use the font size option to change how big your letters will look like. Last but not least, remember, if you ever want to fix a mistake as soon as you make it, or go back to things the way they used to be, just press the undo button and everything will go back the way it was.